Have you ever read a book whose stories is uncanny and you just cannot help but read more and more because strange occurrences are happening in the story? But the story is very simple to understand, it's very easy to process, the writing is smooth. But still, there is just something lingering around the story, and you just cannot help. You are reading it endlessly until you reach the end, and you just cannot help unraveling the mystery around the strange occurrences that are happening. I mean, that sounds interesting, and this is the kind of genre of books that I really enjoy reading. Reason being, it makes me sit with the book. I am someone who has a hard time these days reading books because of my less focus, and I easily get distracted unless and until a book is that good to get my attention in it. So I feel that these kind of stories and these kind of books definitely get me into it, and they keep me on the edge until I reach the end. And so this is why I like reading such books. So by now I have not told you about the book, so enough wait. The book which I'm going to talk about today is Painted Bloom by Pranshu Sinha. It's a very quick, short, fast-paced book that is about teenagers. I mean, it starts from teenage kids who are in school, and it's a very simple story. Like I said, let me get started with it. So this is about a teenage romance, you can say, where our protagonist has a crush on his classmate, and there's also one best friend of our protagonist who always keeps motivating him to go and speak up about his feelings and show and like all that stuff that happens in school. So whenever our protagonist sees his crush, he always goes mute, and there are definitely instances when his crush comes and asks for study related help, and whenever she comes, he totally goes like, and he just does not know how to react. So for that reason, his best friend calls him a loser because he does not know how to communicate, and similar drama happens. Then we also get to have the entry of another girl in the scenario, and there's just something mysterious about this new girl who has suddenly arrived, and strange occurrences start happening, and our protagonist is not able to figure it out, like what's happening. He is sure about one thing, that there's definitely something mysterious and suspenseful about this new girl, but he also finds her company this is another girl, okay. He also finds her company soothing and comforting after some time. So like I said, that there's something mysterious about this girl. Our protagonist just cannot choose between the reality and what's hidden, because he is very confused between what to believe and what's not real, and he is living in the present, but he also cannot forget about what happened in the past with his school crush and his best friend. And so with this mysterious girl who is now good friends with our protagonist, our our protagonist is very, very confused. And this is where the story takes a very twisted turn, and the main climax actually comes here. The book is only of 90 pages, but there are a lot of twists and turns that happen. The story progresses so fast. Like I said, it's a very quick page turner, and you just cannot help but think about what could be the real thing, because when you will reach the end, you will actually question everything. You will also question the reliability of the narrator. You will question your own mind, that whether you miss something or whether there is something in the book itself to interpret. You will think about all the possibilities that are out there. What I feel about this book is that it really had a very promising plot, in my opinion, and the story could be executed in a much, much, much better way, with more twists and turns, with more intensity and more thrill in it. And but I feel that it fell flat in its execution, despite the plot having such a promising potential. And so I feel that it could be more thrilling, it could be more intense, more suspenseful, but without that also it was a great read that really kept me on the edge and pulled me out of my reading slump, because it was very easy to digest and I loved it. It was very smooth, the writing style is simple yet engaging. It will definitely be a great read for beginners out there, and when you will reach the end you will definitely be mind blown, I can say for that for sure, because it's open ended. So a disclaimer over here that if you do not really like reading open ended books, then this might not be the right book for you. But if you are someone like me who loves interpreting open ended books, then this is the book for you. You need to get this book right away. The book is available on Amazon, you can get it for yourself, and this is it for my recommendation. And I'll see you in the upcoming videos. Until next time, take care, keep reading.